Welcome to DIY Yolande. My name is Yolande and I hope you enjoy this video. Don't forget to like, comment and hit that red subscribe button. As promised on Instagram, here is the beauty studio I have been working on. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and comment below what stood out for you in this DIY. So I was asked by Joelle, who does my nails, to help her put in some floating shelves and help with some signage for her new salon. Here is the shopping list, but all details will be in the description box below. Here I'm at my local Gelmar store to buy some supplies. All details will be in the description. I love coming into a hardware store and finding that they've displayed their items like these. I can't wait to do more DIYs with Gelmar. I'm using normal nails glue and box cutter in order to cover up the exposed wood. Then leave out to dry for at least 3 hours. Then you cut the excess. Okay, so this will be for the Q-Tex stand. These are going to be floating shelves, and these are the brackets. So the filter frames are going to be filling up. I interrupt this programming to announce that always wear your safety goggles when working with a drill. I'm drilling holes to attach the shelf brackets. I am now using anchor screws. Anchor screws are used for hanging light to semi-heavy objects on a wall. Okay, more importantly, they are designed to prevent the weight of the object from pulling the nails or screws out of the wall. This obviously creating an unsightly holes, but also as well as posing a potential safety hazard. Grab your shelf bracket and take your nails and screw them into the wall. You can use a screwdriver to do this, or you could use your drill. Okay, so here my battery died, but what I did was I measured how far apart these 3 floating shelves will be. Then I used my top line measuring tape to ensure distance is marked correctly. Check out my Instagram. I drop info about my tools on a weekly basis. Okay, back to this. Then I use my spirit level to check if indeed the line is level. So this was days later. I was spray painting the signs that spell out Joe's Beauty Studio. And boy, did I make a flop with the letter J. You will soon see shortly. So I printed some quotes to go into the frames. This is a very affordable hack. So I spray painted the J on the wrong side. When I wanted to respray it, I ran out of spray paint. But acrylic black paint came to the rescue. You enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up and comment down below what stood out for you. Congratulations, Joelle, on your beautiful beauty studio. I would leave all her contact details in the description box below. They do nails and hair and everything in between. Don't forget to follow your girl on Instagram at Yolande_Ntsele, Yolande Ntsele on Facebook, and Yolande Ntsele on Twitter. See you next time. Peace.